There's no business nonsense, eh? Put it over. Why do you shit like that? I'm sorry. You are sorry. You are not evil. Are you blind or what? No. Are you blind or what? I see that you go over. This is just the beginning. I will deal with you. This is just the beginning. Come back.